Hello everyone, how are you? Are you fine? Are you good? Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to our English class of Aprender e Estudar em Casa. My name is Adilson Graça and I'm your 7th grade English teacher. I will be working with you for a few weeks. So don't forget, we're living in a pandemic situation. Don't forget to wear your mask, wash your hand all the time, use alcohol gel, and also keep social distancing in order to save your life and then to save the others. So, antes de começar a nossa aula de hoje, vamos ver o que temos para hoje. O que vocês conseguem ver aqui? Na imagem, o que conseguem identificar? Okay? Let's see the words that we have here. We have the word reuse, reduce, and recycle. Here we have the 3 R's. What does it mean? So, as you see, I can see the human being here, can see the car, you can see the light, and then also the hand. So what else? Good. So, and the bicycle. So, which means that today we are going to talk about what? The environment. Environments and animals. Good. Okay, and the objective for the class today is categorize animals. So here we have we'll identify environment issue, causes, consequences, and solutions. Para começar a nossa aula, hoje vamos ver primeiro some types of animals. Remember, in the 6th grade, you studied about animals. You saw some types of animals. So let's do some revision and to see which are they. So let's see if you remember. The first one that we have is pet animal. What is pet animal? Good. Are the animals that you have at home. Can you give some example? Good. Cats, dog, and a parrot. So next we have farm animals such as cow, horse, and chicken. Another one is wild animals, which are lion, tiger, and zebra. Sea animals such as whales, sharks, and dolphins. And before we go, just to let you know that today we are going to talk about environment and animals. So let's see some endangered species before we proceed. So here, the first one that we have is the one we call whale. Then we have koala, and then we have rhinoceros, and then we have the last one, turtle. So here they are some endangered species that we have around the world. And then now let's see some causes and the consequence and solution behind all the environment's issue. Here, as you can see on the picture, we have cause and effect. The cause is the reason why something happened, and the effect is the result what happened. And as you can see here, we have some signals. And then we have the solution. Okay, nowadays, as you know, we have some environment problems, some causes and effects, as well as the solution. So let's see some causes behind of the environment problem that we have nowadays. So let's see some causes that we have here. The first one is deforestation. What happened? So here humans are cutting the trees. When they cutting the trees, animals lose their habitat. So the next one we have is overfishing. Humans are fishing a lot. And then we have overfishing. Okay, the last cause that we have is pollution. What type of pollution that we have here? Can you guess? Cool. Here we have air pollution. Since we've seen some cause, now let's go and see some consequences behind of those causes. The first one we have what? The one we call animals losing home. What happened? When we cut trees, the animals will lose their home. And then we have another consequence, that is sharks disappearing. What happened? When you overfishing, the sharks will disappear. What happened? The people are fishing a lot, so they can disappear. And another consequence that you have, as you can identify on the picture that we have, is trash and the plastic bags killing turtles. When you drop out the plastic close to the sea, so the turtle can be killed. And then let's see some environment solution that I brought to you today. Okay, let's go. What can you do to help the environment? Let's see it together. The first one that we have is save water. We have to save water in order to help the environment. Cool. The next one that we have is recycle. So recycle what? The trashes. Whenever you recycle the trashes, here you are helping you and helping the environment, and then you are doing what? Helping saving the animals too. And then we have another solution here, that is use less electricity. How do we do that? We should turn off the light. So whenever you are leaving your bedroom, you should what? Turn off your power or the electricity in order to save the planet or to help the environment. So let's see more environment solution that we have here. And then say no to the plastic bags. No plastic bags. What should we use? Cool. We should use our care bags. So in order to help the environment, we can call it care bags or organic bags. Okay, great. And the last solution that we have is plant more trees. So we should plant more trees in order to help the environment. All right, to reinforce what we've talking about, the environment and the animals, so let's see a short video in order to help you more understand about the environment and the animals.
Hello, I am the Earth. Yep, the very planet you live on. There are 3 words which start with the letter R, which I love. They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Do you know why I love them so much? Because they are almost magical words. they can make all living things, as well as myself, be happier. I said that they are almost magical because without your help, it won't work. They need all of you children in order to do the trick. Each and every one of you are the real 3 R's magicians, those 3 words which can change the world. Do you want to know how? Yes? Well, let's find out. The first R is for reduce. If you think about it, there are many things you don't need. When you go to the supermarket, I'm sure you can take your own canvas bags instead of using disposable ones given to you. Like that, you will be reducing the amount of plastic, which is very contaminating. And I'm sure that you don't need to print out so many documents or photos, nor leave lights, television, or computers on when you're not using them. If you remember this, you'll be reducing the amount of paper being used as well as energy, and in turn will be helping to reduce the contamination. And these are just a few examples. I am sure you can think of many more different ways to reduce what you are using or creating unnecessary waste. The following question will help you with this task. Do I really need this, or is this just a whim? The second R is for recycling. Now, it is easier than ever to recycle things we don't need anymore so that they can be reused. Near your home, you can find places like the recycling station and containers for cans, plastic, paper, or organic waste. They each have specific colors to make it easier to identify. By using them, you will avoid contaminating nature, the rivers and seas, as well as the atmosphere, which is the air we breathe. And finally, we have the third R, which refers to reuse. How many things do you think we can reuse again and again instead of throwing them away? Let's see. A piece of paper that has only one side printed on, a carton box, a plastic bottle. You think now. With just a little bit of imagination, I'm sure you can come up with many more exciting and fun new uses for them. And remember, if you apply the 3 R's rule, you will make me a much cleaner planet with less contamination and where we can all enjoy a better life. Because, as you know, children can make the world of difference.
Good, we are back again. Did you pay attention to the video? Nice. So, do you remember what are the 3 R's? Cool, can you say it? The first one, reduce. Second one, reuse. And the third one, or the last one, recycle. Cool, you did a great job. So now, vamos fazer um pequeno exercício só para ver se vocês estavam com atenção durante a aula. Agora vamos ver um pequeno exercício that we have for today. The first one is to choose the right expressions according to the pictures. Here you have to choose the expression and match it to the right pictures. The first one we have here: drop litter around, waste water, save animals, pollute the air, using solar energy, using plastic bags, clean the environment, recycle materials, and then using pesticides. So here, take your time, do your exercise, and then I'll be right back. So I'm back again. Are you here? Great, fine. Have you done? Cool. So let's go and do it together. Shall we go? Okay, cool. Number 1, pollute the air. Number 2, drop litter around. Number 3, recycle materials. Number 4, using solar energy. Number 5, save animals. And then we have number 6, waste water. Number 7, use pesticides. Number 8, use plastic bags. And the last one, clean the environment. Okay, great. Did you pay attention to the pictures? All right? Are they showing the good actions? No? Okay, let's see. The first one, pollute the air. Is it a good action or bad actions? Which one? All right, it's a bad action. We should not pollute the air in order to save our environments. What about the second picture? Is it a good action or bad action? Cool. Is it it's a bad action. We should not drop litter around. What about number 3? Recycle materials. Is it a good action or bad actions? Cool. Is it a good action? We should recycle material to save the environment. What about number 4? Using solar energy. Is it a good or bad one? Cool. It's a good action. We should use solar energy in order to save or to help the environment. Let's see the number 6. Save animals. Is it a good action or bad action? Say it again. Cool. It's a good actions of saving the planet or the environment. Waste water. Is it a good actions or bad actions? Cool. It's a bad actions. We should not waste water. Let's see, use pesticides. Is it a good or bad action? Cool. It's a bad action. Use plastic bags. Is it a good or bad one? Can you say it again? Cool. It's a bad action. The last one, clean the environment. Clean the environment. Is it a good or bad actions? Cool. Is it a good action? You did great. Estamos quase a chegar ao fim de mais uma aula, aprender e estudar em casa, mas antes disto, vou-vos deixar com um trabalho de casa. You can find it on your book on page 63, and the exercise is the following. Research about endangered species in Cape Verde, or you can say Cabo Verde, and then you have to prepare your presentation to show your classmates. Number 1, you have to mention the causes. Number 2, the consequences. Number 3, what can you do to protect animals? And then number 4, you can use pictures to illustrate your research. Today we learned about environment and animals. We revise some types of animals, which are pet animals, farm animals, wild animals, and sea animals. Also, we talked about some endangered species. Also, on the other hand, we talked about some causes about the environment and animals, its consequences or effects, and last one, we talking about some solutions behind the environment and animals. E assim chegamos ao fim de mais uma aula no programa Aprender e Estudar em Casa. So, I would like to let you know that it was nice to be here today with you and see you next class.